Assalamu alaikum, my beloved brothers and sisters, all my guys. Today I am gonna say something about my English journey class 4. So class 4 you are going to learn something this video what I used to do first time when I was learning English language. So first time I did not know anything how to speak, I did not know anything how to communicate other, I did not know anything for English language. So I did, you know what I did. So first time I was practice myself, I was practiced myself. So how did I practice myself? So I had no any environment, I did not know any partner, I did not know any teacher. So how did I learn English language and how did I practice myself? So how did I practice myself? So so first time I was learning English language, that time I used to practice myself like, how are you? I am fine. How about you? I am also good. So when did you wake up this morning? I wake up this morning 6 o'clock in the morning. Oh, you have woke up 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, good. So what will you do this day? What will you do? So you can say that I will do some work, I will have to go to work, I will have to go to school. So I have lots of time, I have lot of work, I have lot of work to do. So what kind of work do you have? You will have to do. So I will have to do many things. So what you are, you can say that if you, maybe you are a construction worker, maybe you are a businessman, maybe you are a teacher, maybe you are a mother, maybe you are a son, maybe you are a girl, maybe you are a boy, maybe you are a farmer. So whatever you have, you practice yourself like me. So if you want to learn English language, so definitely you have to practice yourself. If you don't practice yourself, you never ever be learn English language and you never ever become fluent speaker. So my journey, that's where I used to practice myself. So what happened incident, so whenever I saw something in front of my eyes, I tried to practice a lot. So whenever I go somewhere, so I see myself, I see my own eyes and I practice myself. What incident happened? Something, first time I would practice like this. A man died. Suddenly a man died. Hey, a man died. What a surprise. Alas, he has died. So how he has died? So maybe he got stuck, maybe he was cancer, maybe he was some kind of disease and he has died. Oh my god, he has died. He was good man, he was a very excited man, he was very good man. He always time tried to help other, he always time tried to cooperate one another, he always time tried to concern about other. He was good man. So how he has died? So so that's the way I used to practice. So if you really want to learn English language, if you want to really like English language, so you have to practice yourself. You can say that I have any partner, how would I practice, how would I learn English language? This time it's social media in your hand. If you have a time, so you can go the social media and on the internet and you can see in English language and English vocabulary and English master, many teacher in social media in internet. So তুমি যেটা পছন্দ করো, what would you like to watch, you watch your choice. So I learned English language through social media. So Dadar High School. So Dadar High School, you write the Dadar High School YouTube channel and you will get this channel and you can learn English language easily. So that's the way I practice myself. So this video আজকে এই ভিডিওটা এই পর্যন্ত। যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তবে একটা লাইক দেবে এবং বন্ধুদেরকে শেয়ার করবেন, এবং এরকম ভিডিও পেতে তোমরা কমেন্টে বলো, আরও তোমাদের জন্য এরকম ভিডিও বানিয়ে দেবো। বাই।